So now coming back, and now we're gonna use the detail mode. So for the detail mode, let's start here. So, okay, so click in detail. We select the language, as you can see we have different languages, so select English. Hello, how are you? Today I'm gonna talk about how to use Word document with detail. Detail is very useful when you are just trying to do things faster. You don't want to type, your keyboard is maybe damaged or doesn't work, so it's really a good solution for you. Let's see how good it is. So if I see, I think it match all the text, all my dialogue that I was saying. So yeah, this how it's used is super simple and it help you. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a comment, and see you. Bye bye.